Hello friends, it's Danni here of Danni's Dreams, and I'm excited today to be stopping by and sharing my first creation for the Inky Paws challenge, which is by Newton's Nook. This is challenge number 202, and it's a theme challenge, and the theme is Summer Lovin'. How fun is that? I have to admit, summertime is my least favorite season. I don't like to be hot, and I live in Nebraska where it's humid, but I do like to make summertime cards. So I was super excited for this theme, and I will show you my card in a minute, but first, the things that I used from Newton's Nook. Even though it's a summertime challenge, I did use the springtime 6x6 paper pad. I used this little cloud paper there, and I used this stripe paper. Even though it's springtime, you shouldn't limit yourself to that because a lot of these would work for many different occasions besides just spring. And then I used the Newton's Flower Garden stamp set, and I have the matching dies. And it's such a cute stamp set with Newton and all his flowers and butterflies. And then I used these circle frames dies. These are a wonderful circle set, and I love that heart in there. And I love that you have a couple of scallops along with the stitched. Really nice. And then I think I used these dies the most, the land border dies. I used the grass ones for today's card. In the description box below, I will have everything linked, as well as a link to the challenge blog and Newton's Nook shop. Go shopping there. There's so many amazing products. And here is my card. I stamped and colored Newton and all the flowers and the butterflies, and then I used the dies to cut them out. There's those circle frames you can see. If you look really close, there's where I use those land border dies with the grass, and I just kind of made a little scene there. I stamped the sentiment, and I thought it needed a little something, so I colored up some of these flowers and cut them out and kind of used them as embellishments. I think it turned out very summery. I chose this stamp set because I've never considered myself a gardener, but lately I am trying to make some flower gardens, like some wildflower gardens for the bees and the butterflies. We have a lot of wildlife in our neighborhood. We're right in the middle of town, but we do have a lot of wildlife. So a lot of things keep getting eaten, but I keep trying. So that's kind of where my inspiration was, is during the summertime I do like to plant some flowers and see what happens. And then on the inside I just did a strip of that polka dot paper. So there's my card for the Inky Paws challenge number 202, Summer Lovin'. Everything again is listed below. I hope you'll grab your Newton's Nook goodies and come play along with us. Until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty.